hot mom meal prep, and this time it's for the kids because we are not spending all summer long in the kitchen.
And if you're wondering how I get my kids to eat this stuff, it's because I don't give them another option, and I also ask what they want me to prep. Highly requested cheese, crackers, and granola bars to have on hand for quick snack options because the ones that are in the grocery store are loaded with shiz ingredients that my kids are not going to be consuming. And because they're outside playing 24/7, we need hydration, and we are not going to be doing artificial dyes and tons of sweeteners. You could make it at home. Pro tip, make a ton of sandwiches ahead of time and put them in the freezer.
I did PB&J and a pizza version. They turned out amazing. We're using all that summer produce, so I did a zucchini muffin, and then of course I made my tried and true greens juice, which I actually had to refill because my kids are obsessed with these. And last but not least, we are prepping all of our fruits and vegetables ahead of time because that stuff is way too expensive to let it go to waste.